finally got the lights in, and we got them put on today. We'll check them out tonight and see what they look like. So there they are. Two in the middle shooting straight, and the two on the side there are shooting out to the side for ditch lights. These will run amber or white or both. So kind of got the best of both worlds. Ran them on up and put them in this switch box right here. Right here, the switch box right here. And that right there goes to our rock lights. That's a controller for the rock lights. And that switch box goes to that switch panel right there. See more how it goes tonight. I got lights in front and behind the front wheel, and in front and behind the back wheel. Okay, so we got the lights installed. Here's the driving lights. Get my finger out of the camera. Here's our driving lights. And this is the fog lights. And I know it doesn't do good on the camera, but so I'm not out on a trail either, so it'll show a lot better on a trail. And of course, we got the rock lights installed, which I need to get the app. There's the rock lights, but I need to get the app to change the color. But that gives us light around the wheels. That's about it. Okay, and this is the result of the rock lights. So, got the app installed and got it a brighter color so we can actually see behind and in front of the wheels. And that should help us out on the trails at night. We go to Hidden Falls coming up soon.